Hey guys, I wanted to share a few hints and tricks for playing the Collisions Ionic bonding game today. So once you get logged in using your Google account, you'll see the screen that looks like this. And today we're going to be doing the one called Ionic bonding, which is right down here. Don't confuse it with the ions one. Similar but a little different. So when you click on this, we're going to start at level 1, which is some tutorials, and I'm going to pause it here as I work through a few of these and then give a few hints for some of the harder levels. As you get into some higher levels, not that this one is real complex, but I just like to point out that you have to pay attention to the oxidation numbers that are being listed here up above. If you want to make a one-to-one connection, I've got to make sure that I'm putting a +1 thing with a -1 thing. And then same thing with the others. If I want to have a one-to-one ratio between my elements, I've got to make sure that I've got the same charge on each. Here pretty soon it's going to ask me to do a 2-to-1 ratio. And so then I'll make sure that I have a